Your words truly remind us that science and awareness go hand in hand. We have with us Dr. Sara Salman, Medical Officer, Child and Adolescent Health Department of Healthier Populations, WHO Regional Office for the Eastern Mediterranean. Ma'am, we welcome you in the conference. The exchange of ideas is the heart of every conference. Our next speaker is Haniya Fatemah from Sacred Heart Convent School, Lahore. Haniya, the stage is yours.
Good morning, everyone. I am Haniya Fatemah from Sacred Heart Convent School, Lahore. I first and foremost would like to express my deepest gratitude to Hamdard Foundation, Pakistan, and its chairperson, Madam Sadia Rashid, for giving me the opportunity to speak at the 34th International Children's Health Conference 2026. This year's topic for the conference is Together for Health, Stand with Science. Health is the foundation upon which the entire structure of human life depends. Without good health, progress becomes impossible. We live in an age where new diseases appear, lifestyles change rapidly, misinformation, disinformation, and misinterpretation about health issues are more rampant than truth. In such a world, science is not merely a subject in textbooks. It is a beacon of hope for humanity. Science has helped mankind to understand diseases, develop medicines, and save millions of lives. But despite remarkable medical progress over the past few decades, the world still faces significant inequalities in healthcare. These inequalities are particularly severe in least developed countries, where millions of people still lack access to basic health services. Poverty, weak healthcare infrastructure, emerging diseases, and shortage of health professionals continue to challenge the healthcare systems of these nations. Globally, around 4.6 billion people still lack access to basic health services. Maternal and child mortality is a major concern in many areas. In fact, many LDCs are still struggling with infectious diseases such as malaria, tuberculosis, HIV, AIDS, etc. But at the same time, rapid scientific advancements such as artificial intelligence, telemedicine, mobile health, and digital health offer new opportunities to address these problems. Hence, by combining global cooperation with emerging scientific technologies, we can work together to improve the health outcomes in the poorest regions of the world. But, dear audience, science alone cannot succeed unless society stands beside it. Standing with science means promoting facts over rumors. It means believing in evidence rather than myths. Unfortunately, in many societies, misinformation spreads easily, causing confusion and fear. When people reject scientific guidance, they not only put themselves but also their communities at risk, as was observed during the pandemic period of COVID-19. In fact, in recent times, the same challenges are being faced by the polio eradication campaign in our region. Therefore, dear audience, standing with science means promoting education and awareness. It means understanding the importance of vaccination, hygiene, clean drinking water, proper nutrition, and regular exercise. These simple habits, fueled by scientific knowledge, can prevent countless diseases. In fact, dear audience, I imagine a society where every child receives proper nutrition, every family values cleanliness, every citizen respects medical advice, and every community supports scientific progress. Such a society would not only be healthier, but also stronger, more productive, and more hopeful about the future. As the famous scientist Albert Einstein once said, "Science is a wonderful thing if one does not have to earn one's living at it." His words remind us that science is a powerful tool that benefits all humanity, not just scientists. Dear audience, the future of global health lies in our knowledge, our cooperation, our scientific thinking to overcome the greatest challenges. Last but not the least, to overcome health inequalities in the world, nations must come together through cooperation, investment, and scientific innovation, especially in the field of artificial intelligence for medical diagnosis and disease detection. By combining scientific advancements with strong health policies and international solidarity, we can move closer to a future where quality healthcare is accessible to all people, regardless of their financial status or geographical location. Because, dear audience, protecting health is not only a duty, it is a moral responsibility. When we follow scientific guidance, we not only protect ourselves, but also our families, our people, our nations, and the future generations. Therefore, dear audience, it is my conviction that when humanity unites with science, hope becomes stronger than fear, knowledge becomes stronger than ignorance, health becomes stronger than disease. Together for health, together for progress, together for a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, Haniya, for your insightful speech.